What military forces have been involved in the recent U.S. Iran airstrikes? The surprising mix of players reveals a complex web of alliances and strategic moves you need to understand. In the recent U.S. Iran airstrikes, the United States primarily used its Air Force and Navy. F-15 and F-35 fighter jets launched precision strikes, while MQ-9 Reaper drones provided surveillance and targeted strikes. The Navy's aircraft carriers positioned in the Persian Gulf served as launch platforms, demonstrating U.S. power projection far from home. These combined forces highlight America's advanced aerial and naval capabilities in modern warfare. On the Iranian side, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps played a pivotal role. They coordinated missile launches and deployed advanced air defense systems like the Corded-3 to intercept incoming threats. Iran also utilized its ballistic missile forces to retaliate, showing how they blend conventional air defenses with missile technology to defend their interests and project power regionally. Beyond the official military branches, regional proxy militias allied with Iran, such as Kata'ib Hezbollah and other groups in Iraq and Syria, played a role in escalating tensions. Meanwhile, the U.S. supported local forces through intelligence and logistics. This proxy involvement complicates the battlefield, making the conflict not just bilateral but regional, involving multiple actors with vested interests. The recent U.S.-Iran airstrikes involved a complex mix of advanced U.S. jets and drones, Iranian missile and defense forces, and regional proxies. This layered involvement shows modern conflicts are multidimensional, blending technology with alliances. For more surprising insights into global events, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.